I lost. I lost Gwen. She was my MJ. I couldn't save her. I'm never gonna be able to forgive myself for that. I just don't want you to end up like me.
У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа. Все твои обещания.
Are you okay?
В камине